wish I could chill with you right now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. What's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now you see we got the Hat Club box, we got the Hat Club pack right here, okay? So we gonna slide into both of these, man, and see what we got. First things first, let's go ahead and slice it right down the middle. Slice it down the middle. We're gonna peel it back. Shout out to the peel back gang, you feel me? We out here, peel it back. We having a tough time peeling. There we go. All right, see what we got here, man. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. We got a two-piece right here, man. You know what time it is, man. We got the Northern Lights right here. The Northern Lights Hat Club exclusive. You see it, icy blue bottom. We got somewhat of like a lavender color right around the top, man. We got the lavender button top. We got the size 7 1/8, which is my preferred size. You got the lovely Arizona Diamondbacks logo. Now I like the fact that they kept this with that copper, because that copper gives a good shine. Let's go ahead and get on that. That copper has a really good shine, which is one of the things that I like about this logo right here. Look at the side patch, man. And I like the coordination. You got like that copper, then you got that copper. Let's get right up on there. That copper right there, so it's gonna give you that shine. That's good thread work right there, you feel me? What's this one? The 1996 inaugural season. Okay, so this was the first season, you feel me? Lovely patch right there. We got the lavender new era flag. Let's look at the back. Batterman logo, icy blue, so that's gonna match your brim right here, you feel me? I'm all about the coordination, so I like when the hat's coordinated. I like when the hat coordinates with the fit, you feel me? Let's go right here. We had the hat, $45, which is pretty much the standard price for a custom, a new era custom right about now. Go ahead and get to the inside. We got the hat size right here. We got the new era. Then we also have the Cooperstown collection. Yeah, this is a nice hat right here, man. This is really giving me like Easter vibes, you know, like low key. I know there were some Forces that came out, some Air Force Ones that were like a similar pattern. So if you like pair this hat up with them Forces, you killing. Now let me go ahead and take this one off. Let me go ahead and throw this joint on, you feel me? Ooh, this is comfy. This is a perfect fit right here, man. This is not like too... Sometimes it has to run a little small, some a little big. This is right on the money right here. Let me go ahead and get into the second hat, which, come on, man. You know the vibes. Just look at this joint, B. Come on now. We got the Northern Lights. Like, look at this gold action right there. Get up on that. Look at that gold action right here, man. The Blue Jays, which is really becoming one of my favorite logos. Like, originally, I just thought it was cool, but like now, after I done got a couple of them, these joints is going crazy. We have a flat Blue Jay logo, so it's not the 3D like embossed. This is more of a flat logo right here. Same thing, we got the lavender button top. I'm just digging this gold. This is underrated to me, man. This gold is underrated. See, we got the copper here, we got the gold here. We got the World Series 1992. Also has that same gold thread, that gold stitching in there. Let's get to the back. We got the icy blue Batterman logo. This was a good series. This is the Northern Lights, you feel me? The colors are really like soft. Like I said, it gives me that pastel kind of Easter vibe, which I'm really liking. It goes well with the icy blue bottom right here. Black sweatband, you feel me? You can wear this as much as you want. You got the black sweatband, so you're gonna be straight. Here we go, hat size, new era, Cooperstown right there. Remember, if you're looking to get any hats from Hat Club, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in my description right there, right below, so you'll be able to go ahead and check out everything they got on their site, you feel me? Make sure you use that, you feel me? Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend, you feel me? We out here. Let me throw this joint on. There we go. Man, it's like butter, man. It's smooth. This is just like butter right here. Boom. You feel me? I'm gonna give you a little bit of side patch. Boom. There you go. Let them know that you ain't normal, man. Now look, we got a pack from Hat Club. Now we gonna get into this, man. Let's open this up, man. This ain't really peel back gang, but we gonna peel it back anyway. Here we go. We gonna open it up. All right, packing slip. All right. Okay. See, man, they really came through, B. We got the pins, man. Now you might remember in one of my previous videos, I had like 3 or 4 hats and I didn't get any pins. So I'm like, man, like what's really good? What's going on? You feel me? And to make a long story short was they had a shortage of pins. You feel me? So instead of like waiting to ship the hats out, they shipped the hats out. And I hit them up on email. You feel me? Emailed them, let them know my order number. Like I didn't get the pins for these orders. They went ahead in no time. They sent me the Hat Club exclusive pins, man. So I appreciate you, Hat Club, for that, man. Cause some places would have just been like, oh, that's your bad, we got you on the next time. But they went ahead, sent the pack out. Boom, we got the gold joint right there. I think these are all the same. Yeah, these are all the same. We got another gold joint right there. We got another gold joint right there. You feel me? Now look, they have some exclusive pins right now on the website, man. So go ahead, remember, click the link in my description, man. Go over there, check out the new colors. They got like gold with the pink. They got pink and black. They got royal blue with the red. Like, I'm gonna have to grab a couple of those myself, man. But yeah, B, it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, man. I appreciate you checking out this video, and I'm out.